Hey guys, we received this survival garden seed kit, 36 variety flower and wildflower seeds garden kit for test and try. As you can see, this comes in this nice pouch, the airtight pouch, and they are good. It's a combination of 36 different varieties of the flowers, and also they are annual and perennial pollinator mix with the cut flowers for bees, butterflies, and bouquets. Is non-GMO heirlooms starter pack with the survival garden seeds. So as you can see, this comes like the each pack and very nice the packaging thing. So they have their own seeds that you can use with the mix and just put it in the flower. So they are open pollinated, non-hybrid, and easy to put in the seeds. So I'm just showing you the names so that you know like what you are getting, and they are the nice flowers with this quality. I checked the seeds and the seeds looks good. That's the fall season, and they are the saffronator as well. So the all the details of the soil quality, temperature, and everything is provided in back of the seed pack that you can use, and the quality wise they looks all good. So very nice flower kits. You can see like all the details on the back. So the very nice flower seeds thing, and then grow stuff as you want.